YouTube, today we're going fishing camping with Josh. Let's go. We're gonna go fishing. I got some camping bait.
You what?
Let's go outside real quick. I'm not gonna keep y'all long. Alright YouTube, the good thing is about this campground is the pond is right outside. Right outside my camper, man. So it's gonna be pretty chill. Smooth little ride over there. And then I got the fishing. Oh, I got this bait. I didn't show y'all the bait, but some little catfish bait. Some basic catfish bait. So the thing here about baits is that apparently I need to, sorry, hold on. Can y'all see me? Why is it so dark? Come on, god dang. But now the thing on with baits is you gotta check in with like the game warden first or something like that. So I'm looking for a sign. There's typically a sign that'll tell me, hold on, these people don't even see that it's a one-way. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Do you not know it's a one-way road? Bro, it's a one-way road. It clearly says one car at a time. I'm crossing over the bridge first. That'd be like civilian stuff. Civilians don't check left, check right, check around. Oh my gosh. It's like they have no clue what to do. Pond 3, Hobo Pond access. Oh, they be getting on my nerves. Bruh. Anywho, let's see. Permit access pass required. Permit holders may sign in or out of area and post by visiting. Okay, that's what But this is the pond I'm talking about, guys. It is called Holbrook Pond. Beautiful, beautiful pond. It goes all the way down to the other side too. All the way to this area. Yeah. There's like lodging and all that stuff. So I'm waiting right now to do, you got to check in online. So this is the steps to do for the military installation. You go to Fort Stewart Environmental and Natural Resources. You have to watch a 600-second video. To be honest, I'm not sure how long that is. I'm not sure. 600 seconds. So how many minutes is that? Somebody in the comments that is super smart. What is, how long is 600 seconds? Once that's done, that's your permit access brief. And then you sign in and out of the area. And it makes sense. It lets the game warden for Fort Stewart or this side of Georgia know who's there, who's not there. And this is for fishing and hunting, stuff like that, because they blow stuff up out here. The tanks are literally shooting rounds 2 miles across the woods in the forest here. So if a random unit wants to do some training in a new area and they pull up, they check in with range control. Hey, this is where we're gonna be at. We're at point 0245, and then range control is gonna say negative. We have hunters out there. Pick another area or don't book or whatever, whether it be during, after, or before. So that's how things work. I like it. Plus, if you don't do it, the fine is ridiculous. So the site we're at right now is 8328 Alpha. We're gonna fish off the dock a little bit because it's just a nicer area. We're fishing for some catfish. If I catch something, great. If I don't, then oh well. I'm gonna do this for about an hour. Then with the success, I will fillet it right on the bridge. I will take that meat, and that's what we're eating for dinner. Fresh as hell. If I don't catch anything, it is what it is, and then we'll just go to the gym and work out because I suck. And that's it. Try to do all of that and be back by like 7, 8 o'clock for dinner. I want to eat dinner every night, no later than 7. 8 is pushing it, so that's my plan, y'all. Other than that, how's your weekend going? How's everything going? We're gonna leave that camper stuff alone for a bit and just get into the wilderness. So come on with me and let's enjoy it. Yeah.
raise your hand if you feel alive. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sunrise lighting up the coastline. Pretty girl dancing in a slow wine. Barefoot stepping where the waves roll. Good vibes only, that's the main goal. Palm trees swaying to the breeze now. Everybody smiling, living free now. Rum punch dripping from the red cup. DJ turn the whole island up. No stress, leave it all behind. Paradise got peace of mind. Every heartbeat match the tide. Tonight we're catching every vibe. No clock, no worries, just music and memories. Everybody moving together. Some are feeling lost forever. We on that island frequency. Everybody dancing next to me. Sunshine shining endlessly. This is where we're meant to be. Island frequency. Feel the rhythm set you free. From Miami to the Caribbean Sea. Everybody catch the frequency. Bonfire lighting up this sand. Good people from every land. DJ mix the dancehall groove. Afro beats got the whole crowd move. Pretty smile with the coconut drink. Living faster than you think. Camouflage another memory. Every moment history. Ocean breeze to designer shirt. Sand don't even mind it dirt. Money can't buy this.
Well,
Island love got everybody in it.
I caught absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. So, let's go get this pre-workout. Let's take our butt to the gym. Because fishing is just not it for me then. I suck. It's just not it. I tried and I definitely suck. So, damn man, how do I suck so bad? It's embarrassing. I can't even catch a dumb fish. Anywho, we'll go to the gym. I don't know if I'll bring you guys with me. I don't know if we're gonna keep it at a one-day vlog or more, but I caught absolutely nothing. Maybe I'll try again. Let's change for the gym. Maybe I'll throw it a couple more times because, like I'm saying, y'all, this is literally, I'm on the side of a lake, so it's like, why not? Why not fish? This is the drive every single day. This is what home looks like for me, so I don't see why not.
One eternity later.
On YouTube today, we are going back to the field.
Why are you crying?
To do some Army training. So come with me for the next 72 hours and survive Army training, okay? Can't tell you the unit. Oh, it's on my shoulder. I'll try to blur it out. But come with me and survive training. This is going to be fun. I'm waiting on my ride right now. Then I put on my full kit, full gear, and then we'll do some training. So I just shaved last night, and I'm about to break out like crazy. My face does not play around when it comes to razors and stuff, so it's about to get real ugly. Sacrifices we make, Hope.
I love this country where I live. I know it like my own skin. On a walk in summer, when the weather is fine, every fence post.
I look like crap. I shaved my face and it messed me up. But we have some good training today, man, and that is it. Literally using my tent. For those who've been in the military, I'm sleeping in the LMTV. I'm literally sleeping in the LMTV. Got my pants hanging up. That's my rug. Yeah. I put powder on my feet. I'm sleeping on the ground, thugging it out. Literally just sleeping on the ground. I'll catch you guys in the morning. Then we got some fun training to do. My sleeping situation is not too bad. Sleeping in and on TV. This fan is like killing it, helping me out for real. Got my rug, my sleeping bag is on the floor, phone charging. Everything is perfect. Like I said, my feet are white, don't judge me. But when you go to bed, you want to make sure you put that foot powder so you can take all the wetness out and stuff. But we got like 8 hours until I go to sleep, so this I have 8 hours until I need to wake up. So I'm about to tap. Hope y'all enjoying this stuff, man. It's that Army life.
When I walk outside, take me back to the field, take me back to the rain.
So hard being in Iraq.
If I go
Getting the fuck out of here.
this country of mine still runs through my veins.
Yeah, so the speed is going to be 20,
This
heads up
country
25.
This country of mine.
He's clearly, he's lying.
My heart in the green.
He's a liar.
This country of mine.
Well, that is success. We are heading home out of the field. I haven't showered in 4 days. I smell, but I am excited to get out of here. Oh, you about to throw that over?
Yes, I have to strap it down.
I'm so excited to get out of here, man. It's crazy. Oh, we'll do it the same way like you did last time on the way out? Hell yeah. Don't join the Army. Go to college, y'all. I promise you. Damn, I'm breaking out so bad. I'm not gonna break anymore. I'm sorry, that's disgusting, but I'm not gonna break any more of these bumps. The thing I have to do is put my gear on, so let's get that done.
Something never done. Raise your hand if you feel alive. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sunrise lighting up the coastline. Pretty girl dancing in a slow wine. Barefoot stepping where the waves roll. Good vibes only, that's the main goal. Palm trees swaying.